Hello the world's people, hello everybody. This is Kokovula again, your traditional healer, continuing with the teachings in things around spirituality, spells, magic, what have you. We are on the topic Isichitho Ichithamuzi. Ichithamuzi is a certain tree. It is called Isichithamuzi. Ichithamuzi means to spill and split and make apart. This is the type of a tree called Idungamuzi, meaning to split, divide, separate, segregate, keep apart. It is used to get people far apart from each other, fighting and parting ways. It is mainly used to make sure a home does not enjoy familyhood. It is used to make sure couples part ways and their relationship completely ends with no chance of building a home together. Ichithamuzi. Ichithamuzi is a kind of isichitho and a mechanism used to cause problems in family setup, which eventually leads to the destruction of the family, bringing it down to its ruins. Many homes collapse with family members abandoning each other. It is because of this particular one, Isichitho Ichithamuzi, the break-up spell of Idungamuzi, the home destroyer. The main use of Idungamuzi is to diffuse the family from its continuity by making family important figures give up on everything about this particular home and the family. There are many homesteads where families don't come together or don't even meet until this home is in total ruins. Unqiwa noma amanqiwa. Isichitho Ichithamuzi does not work only in a form of a bark or a leaf of a tree, Ichithamuzi. It is mixed with other herbs and some animal fats depending on which ones has needed properties in this system of Isichitho and the family breaker. It has been a law from the beginning that Idungamuzi tree must not be used as firewood, poles for fencing, plough fields, wooden poles for building houses, kettle's yoke for ploughs, or any use by a person. Using it comes with bad connotations. You can accidentally mix it with other type of woods that might activate its power, though some people could do it intentionally to cause a case for a family to break up. Ichithamuzi, Idungamuzi, be careful. I was going to mention the other things it is mixed with in order for it to be activated, but the thing is, people like experiencing all the nonsense. So I can't and I won't complicate my work by giving out such kind of deadly information. My sole purpose is to help out those who are in a dire need of my help and have been affected by this kind of spell. For more and more information, you read my articles at www.kokovula.co.za. Me, your great Sangoma, the great one, Kokovula Pundabaroi. I thank you. Please subscribe, make comments, read, like and share these articles. The people need these teachings. I thank you.